Namar makwa kalat kan long tu be. Suam kan niap.
Kiri pop sudah. Kimdan hi ka boarding ban ai yang ni.
Chuang mem ta. Ngali ngatieng bat mai ka bodum. Ban ngam kwa ban niap bak cingdum.
Ndam la apo setleo pat. Kadum hiam.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Menteri Ketnat ka koi ka khia ka sarkar jilla uba wailan miki shila ha ka khatlai terik ujemang arja pun reu ulapan pa wa jing songsi alor ka jing sange no ka National Testing Agency ya ka examen need hadien bakaladon ka jing lait tu ki jing kili examen ha ka jing ekran bakila pathai ku buar ha ka khatlai terik ujemang arja pun reu uba shila loong ba ka ni ki jingja ka long Shisha ka posngusi namar wa ki Samla ka jilla Meghalaya pat ki wei pat ki Samla na ki wei pat ki jilla apo kari India ki belapan kre bhai la de kin hab ban tho byang Shisha yak examen.
So disheartening to see, no doubt, because I think this is not only particularly for Meghalaya, this is from the NTA. So I think as a health minister, I feel so disheartening. I think it is totally unfortunate because I think quite a number of our youth who have given their time and efforts. So now again they have to do. So I think it's very unfortunate. But what could I say more, because this is being done from the NTA. But I would like to see that I think strong action should be taken and the culprit should be punished, and at the same time we would like to see that the central government should come up with I think it need to come up with something to assure the student or the youth of our country.
Any idea how many from Meghalaya?
Right now I don't have the exact data because it will be definitely quite a number of them, but right now I don't have the data.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.